Welcome. Today is May 23rd, 2022, and today I've pulled a card from the Animal Spirit deck by Colette Baron Reed, and I've pulled card number 67, Wolf Spirit. And the basic meaning of this card is turn knowledge into wisdom. So, Wolf Spirit leads you deep into the enchanted forest that holds all the secrets of your life. Can you sense her beckoning to you, asking you to follow, take all that you've learned and all that you're learning and make it yours? Can you integrate that all into your body, mind, and spirit? Whatever lessons learned along the way, do not leave them unexamined. Be loyal to your dreams, to your soul, and to turning knowledge into wisdom and experience into magic. You are the one you have been waiting for. Be still and know that the sound of your heart beats in harmony with the whole world. So if you enjoyed this, click subscribe and join me every day.